you're mostly just seeing trees. But it's a cute little train. There's horrible tourists on it from other places that are just being absolutely horrendous. But like, that's just luck of what train you might get on. 10. So we have a narrow gauge train. That old. I know my train loving friends is just loving this. Gosh. Oh, there we go. Here, maybe if I just come over here, I can get like this. There we go. Away from everyone. Oh, look how cool these are. So here's the main type train areas. Oh, that would have been the old toilets. Oh, this would have been a private room. That's cute. It probably is still. I don't know. Picture. Hello. They're doing a YouTube. Very nice. Oh, yeah. And then the super nice private carriages where you can close out the masses. And I'm, of course, in the food carriage. But that's just because I'm a solo and there's all these tour groups. Very cool. Okay. Here's a middle cart where I can get off. Oh, look at this. This would be the third class. Everyone just cram in together. Ooh, is they gonna let me in there? Do you think they'll let me in? I don't know if they will. I think I can do this with the camera. Oh, in my hand. No. Am I gonna get in trouble? So far we're okay. Very coolness. Canadians. You know, that's what we do. Alright, I gotta crawl down. Alright, if there's any train spotters, you can tell me, what is this? How cool is this to you? Is it anything neat? It looks pretty neat to me. I don't know anything about trains, to tell you the truth. I just think they're pretty cool. When I was a kid, I was like, neurotically would count the carriages. And then I decided not to be quite so neurotic, like as a choice. Ooh. But I love trains. I just never really learned about them. You know, a little bit. I think they're cool. I like the sound. When I was young, I always like really wanted to do a train journey, like hitching rides on the trains, you know, and the vagabond life. This is super cool. If I can find any information about this, I will add it, but I'm guessing, knowing me, I'll be on to the next thing and forget, but like, maybe you can tell me in the comments, or I'll insert from here. I feel like this is one of these tunnels that they say it's like twisty. I mean, it's not as, okay, it comes all along here, it probably goes through the mountain, comes back around, and comes back out down here, or vice versa, which is cool. But like, I'm from Canada, and we have Tunnel Mountain, where inside the mountain, it twists right inside the mountain, up the mountain, which is very cool. This is nice, beautiful, very nice. Are you all from Serbia? Ah! Are you Costa Rica? I know. Are you all learning English? Serbia. You're learning English? Fantastic. How old are you? 13? Fantastic. Do you like your tour? Is this beautiful? The old one is like, no, I'm too cool. This is dumb.
That's a great view.
This is normal.
That's a great view.
Thank you. That's very good. Would you guys, everybody who's just on camera, are you all okay being online if I post this?
Sure.
Everyone's good? Excellent. Fantastic. I just met the coolest tour. Can I put you on?
Do you want to use this bottle instead?
Oh yeah. This cool tour is all these single people, and they like just offered me a little sip of rakia that's been full of men. I took a little tiny small gauge train there once. Even the train people are like, we're not sure why. We stopped for some reason. Hello! We don't know what was happening. This is fun though. I was yelling to the kids to sing.
Oh my gosh, no. Yeah, we still have a long time with Mike.
Yes, you are in. Sing something for us.
He's not trash, he's like
All together, sing some song you know.
trash, he doesn't want to sing.
I'm just gonna like random yell at kids, sing the song. Except we've been talking a whole bunch, and every time I stuck my camera out, they're waving. So that's why I was like, oh, we're stopped. I was yelling down the train, sing a Serbian song. It has not happened. I could just walk over there, try to talk them into it. Hilarious. Why not have some silly fun? Yay! Shh, everyone. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Woo! Well done! Woo! This is better.
Wait a minute.
Just singing whatever song you all know.
Okay. Bez toga. Na moje rame sreće, đurđevak zeleni, đurđevak zeleni, svima osim meni.
That was so good.
It's enough?
Yeah, I mean anything. It's so fun. We have to entertain the train. Small piece.
Da znamo izgleda smo našli gdje je ovdje, šta je, si palo ili puklo, kako god. Pa znam ja da si krenuo da pomoći.
Since we're broken down from it, apparently it's a piece. They're coming. They let me in. They see the engine, which I showed, and this, the engine room. There's like a just chair sitting up top here.
Pa to ti kažem, stanemo ovdje, okačiš
This is super cool. This is very cool. I love being in countries where you can still have some fun.
stavimo okačeni, znaš kako mi raskačemo, da ti razlog i na mašinskoj gdje
Oh yeah, clearly you move the chair so while you're driving. This is very neat. Can we honk the horn? Toot toot! Yay! How do I always luck out? This is the best. Like, the train broke. How often does this happen? Probably not often. I really luck out. I know some people would be like, how is it lucking out to a broken train? But for me, this is so cool because like all the other things that happen. Yeah. Oh, I like that. Little prayer up here. Maybe you have to pray to, you know, that things will go right. Or if they don't go right, that at least you're safe.
Možeš da me nećeš i da trebaš me.
Yes, hello.
I da nisi jesi, još si sa mnom ti u vezi i da nećeš, hoćeš. Nije važno s kim si, gdje si sa 1000 žena, s jednom ili sasvim sam, na tvom je srcu moj autogram.
And we're off! Woo! Good job! Cool traditional house. Wow. They must be waiting for the 1 o'clock or 1:30 train. Ooh, how cool is this one? I don't know. This one looks really cool to me. Look how skinny that is. Narrow gauge. Yeah, that's exactly why it means narrow gauge. Should I put my foot on it so you can see the distance? Like, it's like 2 and a bit across. Oh, I really jarred my knee in that fall today. How cool is this thing? Okay, now, look at this. Oh my gosh. Is this Soviet era? Or is this like brand new and just made to look old? Is that what that was? I don't know, it's cool. Who cares? Who cares? And then there's this one. I fell and hurt myself really bad this morning. I slipped on some wet wood and came down really hard, hurt my knee, hurt my hand. So I'm not sure how my trip is going to go. I'm super nervous. My knee hurts a lot, but I'm so glad I got to go on the narrow gauge train today. It was awesome. And it runs twice a day. Tara National Park from Mokra Gora. Yeah, it was neat. Lots of interesting propaganda. So the next day it rained a lot and I just hitchhiked really quickly and saw the house in the river. And that was it. Tara National Park. Gonna hitchhike over to Belgrade. Rained a whole lot, just dumped on me, but I was staying in some really fantastic places, especially for the price, so that was really nice. Great part of Serbia. Okay, so wish me luck. Oh, my poor knee is sharp shooting pain, but I'm working on it, doing all the stretches and ease and ice and workout stuff, and it's starting to feel a little better after 2 days of rest. So off I go towards Belgrade.